Hello friends, welcome again on my channel. Thanks for watching my videos. Today I have a s9plus. Back glass is broken. I will show you how you can replace the back glass. I will use this tool and this tool as well. Both tools I will use for replace the glass. Start from here. If there's stuck something, go a little there. Just move this thinner slowly. Don't rush, take care of this. Maybe some pieces come outside to you. Because I have glue in this area and the edges as well. When the back glass all is cracked from the edges or everywhere, then don't do too much rush. Just slowly move thinner plate. Don't forget the heat on the back edges before start. I already did, and you too don't forget. After heat, make easy your work. It's stuck somewhere here because it's now it's done. And fingerprint remove from here. I will show you how when you need to put new glass, Here is little tricky. I will show you how you can put the nicely fingerprint and after then put it back glass. This is new glass. I bought the used one. I need to change with this color now. Put it in there. First you will put fingerprint on it. And click and put on the right place fingerprint. Yeah, stay there fingerprint, and after then you can put back glass on it and the fingerprint will become on the right place. You can see the job is done now. Just press from here. After then put the rubber band on this for a few minutes and your job is done. Thanks for watching my video. Hopefully you like my video and subscribe my channel as well. Take care. Bye.